Welcome back, Healthy Club fans. We're excited to have you with us again. Let's dive into today's health tips and continue our journey towards a healthier lifestyle together. We're talking about aging today, but not in the way you might think. As we age, our body becomes more sensitive to certain foods and drinks. If you're over 50, it's time to take a closer look at what could be harming your health, especially your liver, brain, heart, and skin. Stay tuned because this information is crucial for anyone looking to feel their best as they age. You know, I'm all about starting with the basics, right? And nothing is more basic than the water you drink. Many water supplies contain hidden dangers called forever chemicals like PFOA. These chemicals are linked to serious health issues, including cancer and liver damage. They never break down in the environment or in your body, accumulating over time. So, what's the solution? Invest in a high-quality water filter that targets forever chemicals. Trust me, your body will thank you in the long run. Let's talk about two crucial nutrients, zinc and vitamin B1. Refined carbs like white flour and sugars deplete your body of zinc and B1. When these nutrients dip, it shows up in your appearance, faster aging, wrinkles, and stiff joints. Ditch sugar-loaded sauces, deep-fried foods, and processed carbs. Your body will be thanking you. Let's talk about a controversial topic, seed oils. I'm talking about heavily processed oils like soybean, corn, and sunflower oil. These oils are highly inflammatory and accumulate in your brain and cells. Refined soy proteins found in many processed foods are also problematic. Stick to healthy fats like olive oil, avocado oil, and butter. Opt for fermented soy options like tempeh or natto in moderation. Remember when low-fat everything was all the rage? Turns out our bodies need healthy fats to thrive. One nutrient often missing in low-fat diets is vitamin K2, crucial for keeping calcium in your bones. Instead of fearing fat, focus on incorporating quality fats into your diet. Your bones, heart, and overall health will thank you. Let's talk about two minerals that are often overlooked, silica and magnesium. Silica is essential for strong bones, healthy hair, and vibrant skin. Magnesium is crucial for deep sleep, muscle relaxation, and stress management. For a good night's sleep, take magnesium glycinate before bed. Boost your silica intake with foods like bamboo shoots, horsetail, and leafy greens. Let's clear up a common misconception. Salt isn't the enemy. Our bodies need good quality salt, like Himalayan sea salt. Salt helps regulate hydration, supports digestion, and plays a role in energy production. Balance is key. We also need potassium to counteract sodium's effects. Aim for at least 4,700 milligrams of potassium per day from foods like avocados, spinach, and sweet potatoes. Your body will thank you for the balance. So there you have it. The foods and drinks that could be secretly aging you. Remember, aging is a privilege, and feeling our best as we age is a choice we can make every single day. If you found this video helpful, give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button for more health and wellness tips, and share this video with your friends and family. Let's all age gracefully and vibrantly together.